Watch Euros 2024 live. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So depending on the country you're in, you can watch the Euros 2024 live on your PC or on your Android device anywhere you are. So if you come over here, as you can see, if you want to watch, they ask you where to watch your Euros from. Okay, so these countries are segregated according to the continents over here, and of course, as you know, Europe is the first continent. Why? Because of course Europe is where the Euros are coming from. Okay, so take an example. If you're in Latvia, you can watch the Euros from this website over here, which is TV3 Sport Latvia. If you're in UK, for example, you can watch from the BBC TV. Okay, you can also watch from ITV UK. Okay, if you're in Russia, you can watch from Match TV. You can also watch from Oko. Okay, so let's go to the rest of the world. So rest of the world, if you're in Afghanistan, you can watch from Sony 6. Okay, so let me look for one more country. If you're in Egypt, you can watch from Bein Sport Mena. Okay, and let me look for another country over here. Okay, so if you're in Tanzania, for example, let me look for Tanzania. Okay, if you're in Tanzania, you can watch from Sport TV Nigeria. You can watch from Super Sport South Africa. Okay, and now if you're in Uganda, take an example, you can watch from Super Sport TV Nigeria and Super Sport TV South Africa. Okay, so guys, take an example, you're in a country like Tanzania, but you want to watch using the BBC TV. Then what you do is simple. You need to turn on your VPN and then remotely change your IP address so that you can watch from BBC TV. Because as you see, BBC TV over here shows only those who in UK. Okay, so you can't watch if you're not in UK. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. If you really found value in this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet.